Welcome to our new video. Today we are trying to explain about Kadalundi Ecotourism.
Kadalundi, located approximately 25 kilometers from Kozhikode, Kerala, is renowned for its rich biodiversity and ecotourism initiatives. Central to this is the Kadalundi Valakunu Community Reserve, Kerala's first community reserve, established in 2007. This estuarine ecosystem encompasses mangrove forests, mudflats, and a cluster of islands where the Kadalundi River meets the Arabian Sea. The reserve is a haven for over 110 species of waterfowl, including 53 migratory birds such as terns, gulls, herons, sandpipers, whimbrels, and Brahminy kites. The mangroves also support diverse fauna, including otters, jackals, and various fish, mussels, and crabs.
Visitors can engage in ecotourism activities, like guided boat tours through the serene Kadalundi River, offering close encounters with lush mangrove patches and birdwatching opportunities. These tours often showcase traditional fishing methods, including bamboo wall traps and nets, providing insight into the local community's way of life. The reserve operates from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., with an entry fee of 10 rupees. Boat rides are available for an additional charge. For a more immersive experience, local villagers offer homestays, allowing tourists to engage with the community and participate in daily activities. This responsible tourism initiative ensures that the benefits of ecotourism are shared with the local population, promoting conservation and sustainable livelihoods. To plan your visit, it's advisable to contact local tour operators or the Kadalundi Valakunu Community Reserve directly for the most current information on available programs and accommodations. This approach ensures a personalized experience while supporting community-based ecotourism efforts. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this information, please subscribe my channel to receive my next video.